Hello everyone, this is Paula White and I received some questions wanting clarification on how the sales journal actually relates to the ledgers and how they actually relate to the accounts receivable subsidiary ledger. So what I've done, I've changed all the numbers. So this is not your solution for your homework. However, it's the same general premise. Here we have a sales journal that we've actually made the entry for April Landscaping, Speedy Freight, and the 2 transactions from Pinpoint Marketing. And these numbers, again, are different than your homework assignment, but we posted them here initially in the sales journal. Then we totaled them up, and the totals are right now in blue. We have a debit to go to accounts receivable of $8,900. We have a credit to go to sales of $8,170, and a credit that goes to sales tax payable of $730. Now let's post this to the ledger since it's at the end of the month. We will go to the general ledger, accounts receivable. S1 would be the sales journal, page 1. Here's the debit of $8,900. We go to the sales taxes payable account. Here's the S1 standing for sales journal, page 1. Here's a $730 credit for sales taxes payable. And continuing down, we have the account called sales and posting reference S1 and credit of $8,170. That's how those numbers get populated from the sales journal. We have one more thing to do relating to the sales journal, because this information did not get into the accounts receivable ledger specifically for the individual customers, Able, Speedy, and Pinpoint. So let's see, Able Landscape had $2,400, $200, but their sales was $2,200. So their accounts receivable should be $2,400 from this experience. So let's go to the accounts receivable ledger. Go to Able. Here we have Able Landscape, January 10th, and the detail of the journal, the sales journal, here is a $2,400. It came from the S1, sales journal, page 1. So this person has a balance to owe you yet, $2,400. And the remaining 3 numbers, here is Pinpoint Marketing, and they had $1,000 due to you and a $2,000 due. And here is Speedy Freight with $3,500. And that is the same numbers as $2,400, $3,500, $2,000, and $1,000. So that's how the sales journal is related to the postings in the general ledger, which is the summary data only. And then the detail goes into the accounts receivable ledger of the total amount that is owed to our company by making these sales to these customers on credit. Now, one more thing, you know how these posting references work. So here we have, we're supposed to be putting in here the posting references of the account numbers that these particular numbers in blue got posted to. So accounts receivable debit, for an example, accounts receivable is account 111. After you post to it, you say, yes, I posted this to account 111, and so on and so on. Now, what happens when you post these detail numbers, this 2,400, to the AR ledger? So here we had 2,400. It's Able Landscaping. So, and it should tie in with account 111, right? So a lot of times people make a check mark here in this box right there, a check mark, to indicate that yes, we posted it to the accounts receivable subsidiary ledger. And sometimes people actually put 111 for the account number for accounts receivable with a slash, a diagonal with a check mark to say, yes, it went to account 111, and yes, I posted it to Able Landscapes actual subsidiary ledger account for accounts receivable. I hope this clears up some confusion. If not, please message me or call me or contact me somehow, and I will be glad to do other small tutorials like this gladly. So hope this helped. Bye.